The truck was loaded with steel beams. It was registered to a company in Poland, from where it traveled to Berlin on Monday afternoon. The truck plowed into a popular Christmas market outside Berlin's Kaiser Wilhelm Memorial Church late on Monday night. The truck jumped the sidewalk and crashed through several market stalls before coming to a stop. A passenger was found dead inside the truck. The driver allegedly fled the scene. Police made an arrest near the Christmas market, but it's not yet confirmed whether the man was the driver.